Hello friends, welcome to Stocks Inbox. In this video, we are going to discuss the Nifty levels for tomorrow, 29th June 2020. As you see on my screen is a 1 hour chart of Nifty. Firstly, let us mark the important support and resistance zones on the 1 hour chart along with trend lines. Okay, so as you see, the green zones are the support zones, the red zones are the resistance zones, and this blue zone is resistance turned support zone, and this yellow lines that you see are the daily trend lines, means the trend lines which I have plotted from the daily chart. Okay, so tomorrow we are expecting a gap down opening. As you know, the Dow closed 730 points lower on Friday. It is important to see where the Nifty opens tomorrow. If it opens in this zone, the ones which that is in between this green and the red zone, there will be no trade. Okay, if the price opens between these two areas, then there is no trade for tomorrow. Now the sell trade will be activated only if the Nifty breaks this level of 10,195. Only if it breaks this level, then we can expect this level to come tomorrow. Okay, and a break below that, we can expect Nifty to touch this uptrend line. On the flip side, if the price closes above this resistance zone, which is very unlikely, we can expect the market to move back to the 10,550 zones. Accordingly, I have also plotted the support and resistance zones for the Dow futures chart. So let us have a look at that also. So this is a chart of Dow futures. As you see, the whole day it was trading in between these two zones, and as soon as the price closed below this zone, it came and touched the next support levels. After that, it consolidated for 3 to 4 hours, then gave a breakdown. Now, if this level is taken out on Monday, we can expect Dow to come to this level, which is around 24,650 to around 24,550 levels. So if Dow does this on Monday, then Nifty can do this on Monday also. So friends, plan your trades accordingly. That's all for today. If you like the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. So see you tomorrow with a new video on Nifty analysis. Till then, take care and goodbye.